How to fix Google Maps not working on any Android phone. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to the Play Store and then go to the search bar and search for maps like this, and then click on Google Maps, and here you will find this option. It says update. So all what you have to do is click on it like this and it will start updating. And if you already have updated it and you have the same problem, all what you have to do is go to the settings and go to the apps and then go to apps and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find maps, click on it, and then make sure to go to the permissions and make sure to enable the location option, and then go back and click on storage and click on clear data. After that, all what you have to do is reopen Google Maps and the problem is gonna be fixed. See you later. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe.